Hey, this is Dr. Mortgage, also known as Mark DeVita with Movement Mortgage. One of the tools that we actually use is a thing called recasting. And so a lot of times when I'm going to use recasting is, let's say I have a borrower that comes into the office and they really don't want to sell their house until they get into their new house, and then they're going to sell their existing home, take that equity out of that house, and then pay down their current mortgage that we just did for them. And what would happen is, if they were to do that and we didn't do recasting, is the mortgage payment would actually stay the same, even though they might have put down a principal reduction of $100,000, basically paid down their mortgage. And so one of the things we can do is we can do a recast, and the way that works is that we fill out a little form, we send that into Movement Mortgage, and what will happen is they'll re-amortize the mortgage based on the new principal balance, which means they're going to have a lower payment monthly. The other thing is maybe when we first did the loan, they had PMI. And so maybe they only had enough money to put 5% down. And of course, you would have PMI with that. But once they sold their house, we can actually put that money down on the house, which gets it below that 20%. And the PMI would come off at the same time that we're doing that recasting. Again, recasting is a great tool. And call me if you have clients trying to basically buy a house without selling their house first, and then they'll sell the house. We can actually walk them through this process. Again, call me at 704-996-2079 and check out my website, mortgagemadeeasy.com.